Technology in the 21st century. Technology is a ubiquitous part of children's lives. It is transparent. Most homes have connected computer or internet-enabled devices. As price of technology drops, computers and digital devices may replace the television as we know it. Technology has revolutionized the way we think, work, and play. Technology, when integrated into the curriculum, revolutionizes the learning process. Technology integration in the curriculum improves students' learning process and outcomes. Teachers who recognize computers as problem-solving tools change the way they teach. They move from a behavioral approach to a more constructivist approach. Technology and interactive multimedia are more conducive to project-based learning. Students are engaged in their learning using these powerful tools and can become creators and critics instead of just consumers. Technology helps change the students, teachers' roles, and relationships. Students take responsibility for their learning outcomes, while teachers become guides and facilitators. Technology lends itself as the multi-dimensional tool that assists that process.